Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp in one phone to use two WhatsApp account. So there are two methods here. The first one is you need to just unlock the dual apps mode in your device. So for that, at first just go to your phone settings. Now in the top search bar, you can just search for it, just like searching for dual apps. Now after searching it, just go for the first option here, dual app. Now here you can see create option, just click on it. Now you can just select the apps that you want to create, just select WhatsApp, and here you can see dual apps, click on dual apps and click on turn on. It might take a while to create it. Now the dual apps has been created successfully. Now you can just go back and you can see the dual apps here. There are two WhatsApp now. Now the second method is you can just install the WhatsApp business app. So for that, at first just go to your Play Store and in the top search bar search for WhatsApp business. Now just install this app, and after installing it you can connect it with your other ID and you can use two WhatsApp in one phone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.